families. That's all it took. The Ingrams, the Carlyles, the Stuyvesants.
Tell us everything about them.
The ivory towers are about to fall.
And when we're done...
Let's cross that bridge when we get to it. For now, the partners are all that matter.
There's an issue.
Of course there is.
Olivia's tracked the names mentioned by the Constant, and they're dead ends.
How dead?
Obituaries for all three have appeared online. Accidental death, heart failure, lung cancer.
They're covering their tracks. Faster than I thought.
A contingency plan of sorts. The Constant wasn't aware of it.
Well, seems they didn't tell him everything after all.
Something this big will leave traces behind.
The Constant says to follow the money.
Milton Fitzpatrick. The investment bank. It's a key Providence asset.
Which you worked for.
The director of the New York branch is a Providence operative. It's our best bet as a way in.
I'll tell the pilot to turn the plane around.
Right, gentlemen. Here's what we've come up with. The partners are transitioning between identities, but everything is so recent, the Milton Fitzpatrick bank records will still be intact. We've confirmed that the partners have active accounts there. However, the bank's records are remotely updated on a frequent basis. We may only have hours before any leads that could get us the new identities of the partners are gone forever. The data we need can be obtained in two ways. The bank's data core can be accessed through the basement vault, but getting inside the vault could be challenging. Alternatively, Bank Director Athena Savalas, Head of Security Mateo Perez, and Head of Accounts Fabian Mann each carry a partial backup drive with the data. We'll need all three drives to get the full data. Now, we cannot risk the partners discovering the data breach. Eliminating the bank's director, Athena Savalas, would sever the last remaining Providence tie to the bank and keep our activities hidden.
Okay, one more time. We break into the vault, extract the hard drive rack, and eliminate the director on the way out.
We.
You. Good luck, 47.
Welcome to New York, 47. The Milton Fitzpatrick Bank is open for business, but it seems there's some sort of investigation underway. Expect increased security. Your target, Director Athena Savalas, can be found in her top-floor office, overlooking the iconic Teller Hall. Head of Security, Mateo Perez, is roaming between the vault area and the Teller Hall, talking to employees. And Head of Accounts, Fabian Mann, can be found on the investment banker floor and the top floor of the bank, driving the internal investigation. Remember, we need to secure the data from the bank's reinforced vault, or, alternatively, acquire 3 hard drives carried by the director and her 2 lieutenants, Mann and Perez. Good luck, 47.
Hello. I think that's funny at all.
What are you getting, Frank?
Frank? I'm not getting him anything. He's an asshole. Besides, I think you want enough money to buy whatever you want.
This is the vault, 47. The data core should be behind that large steel door.
Whoa. I couldn't see anything out of the ordinary. False alarm.
But I know the block.
You gotta be kidding me.
Let's not take any chances. You, go check it out.
On it. Oh shit. Dispatch. Got a body on the ground. Hold on.
Well, at least it's not as bad as that time in Queens. Remember that?
Ugh, the 6,000 semi-incinerated files we had to tape together? Don't remind me.
Yeah. I'm just saying, maybe.
There are always worse cases out
Hey! What's going on? Yeah.
Oh no. What? Are you hurt?
That's the first backup data disk secured. 2 more to locate.
Is that what I think it is?
Yes. Just make sure the information will be put to good use.
Oh, you can bank on that. Who are you? What's your role in this?
I'm not important. Good luck.
It sounds like Miss Red has quite a scoop on her hands. My guess is this will cause a major market upset, which is sure to bring the director out from her fortified office.
I just need to talk to you, sir.
Man, we got ourselves an accident here. Over.
Excuse me, sir. You gotta be kidding!
What?
I was calm and focused. There is a guy in the bathroom puking his guts out with nerves. So I think my chances are pretty good.
Oh, have we talked to everyone?
No, I think I saw him go into the bathrooms. He's been there for ages.
Yeah, we'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Let me know when he comes out.
Will do.
Thanks.
For dropping by.
So are we just supposed to let anyone from IT in there?
That's right. You know how crap this old building is with the wireless, and how the director hates seeing cables anywhere? Well, she had a router installed in her office, but it dies a lot. Hence a need for IT to drop by every now and again.
Got it.
Anyone here is late for this job?
Chuck, wasn't it?
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Second backup data disk is secured. Just one to go, 47.
Find anything yet?
No, I'm not even sure. I understand the task and why we're doing it. Someone broke in and we're here to see if this
I believe I found a weapon.
All right, stay put. I'll take a look. I bet Gary lost it. Such a dick.
Huh?
It looks like we have a serious incident here. Guys, we're gonna call this one in and bag that poor bastard.
Break-in this morning, but well, I'm not sure what's happened.
Oh, I assure you, that was the plan all along, sir. We were gathering up in... That's... Ah!
That's the last objective completed. Exfiltrate the bank, 47. Miss Hall will want to have a close look at that data. Director Savalas eliminated. Good work, 47.
Olivia has found something interesting. I'll tell you on the way.
Where are we going?
To paradise, 47.